Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. The incredible Surya from Goldline Artistry, all the way in India, reached out to me and asked if she could send me some of her molds to try out, have a play with, and show you guys what it is she does. And this is a huge unboxing. Surya actually asked me which ones I'd like to try, and I think I chose two or three. But yeah, she sent me tons, and I am super grateful. I'm going to show you all now, and they are incredible. All the details will be linked below. Let's go. So when I first received this box, like genuinely, I had to question whether I was shopping in my sleep because I didn't remember ordering anything so big. And this first mold, oh my goodness, I saw this on Surya's Instagram page and I wanted it, but I would have never asked for it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to link her page below. And this is a huge, huge tray mold. It is full of detail and it's got some gorgeous patterns in there, some right angled lines and the rainbow lines, and it really is quite massive. I don't have my tape measure to hand, but look at my hand, it is absolutely huge. And it's got two of these gorgeous little tea light details here, so you could make your tray and then you've got sections for your tea lights. So excited to try this mold. So yeah, she has absolutely spoiled me. But I am so grateful. This is one of the items that I did ask if I could try out, and this is a really gorgeous trinket tray mold. You could use it for pens, pencils, for trinkets and all sorts. And yeah, loving it, cannot wait to try it. These druzy sheets I was not expecting again, but they are beautiful and so delicate. I've got this long rectangular druzy sheet and I've got a circle to match, so looking forward to using those with resin. And then Surya sent me a bundle of coaster molds. This one, gorgeous, love it. It's like a knot design and excited to try this. This is also one of the coasters that I asked for because I'm loving these line designs that I'm seeing everywhere at the moment, and yeah, loving them. And she also sent me the semicircular shape to match the square, which I'm so in love with. This one here, another mandala, really loving this one as well. So much detail in there. And this one, oh my goodness, this is like, is it Art Deco? I can see this in brown and gold, and I'm definitely gonna try this one out. This one here is the Moroccan style coaster. I've seen this on Surya's Instagram as well. She sent me two. So I'm so grateful. Honestly, it just goes on and on. This one is a heart druzy coaster mold. Loving this one as well. I actually can see that in the middle of a piece of work. So not necessarily a coaster, but the center point for a wall art piece. This one here is another druzy piece, nice chunky druzy. This one here, I think, I've never used these kinds of molds, but I think this is like a druzy cluster. So it'll be really interesting to try this. And this one, I think, is like my crystal mountain video that I did with a cluster, like a crystal cluster. So definitely interested to see how they turn out. Last but not least, I got this really cool tag mold. Now this is like individual tags, but they're all completely different. So we've got happy anniversary, handmade with love, Merry Christmas, you know, all of these, thank you, happy birthday, all of that, all in one mold, which I think is such a cute idea. You could fill that with resin and then backfill it with acrylic and scrape it off. I'm so grateful. Honestly, I'm going to tag all of Surya's details down below. Really grateful. So if you are interested in any of these molds, they will all be linked below. I'm so excited as well because Surya and Goldline Artistry are based in India, and I know that so many of you watch me from India, and it just, you know, I don't know if I told you, I have got quite an obsession quite an obsession with India and Indian movies. So yeah, India is in my heart, and I love the fact that, you know, they are based in India, and I've got such a huge Indian following that I'll be able to share this with you guys as well. So of course Surya does ship all over the place. It's not just located and shipping in India only, it's everywhere. So yeah, I'm so excited, so grateful. I love these. Thank you so much to Surya and to Goldline Artistry. See you all in the next video. Bye.